To convert WhatsApp account to WhatsApp business. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device. In Play Store, search WhatsApp Business and then install WhatsApp Business app. After you've installed WhatsApp Business, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Simply open the app and you will find this kind of screen. Click on Agree and Continue. Then add your number and verification code will be sent to your number. Simply paste the code in here. After you have pasted the code in here, transfer in progress. It will transfer everything from chats to media. Then enter your business name, select your business category, add your business hours, select hours, add profile photo if you want, and link if you have one. And after all this process, it will finish and you will be logged into your WhatsApp business account with everything transferred. This is how to convert WhatsApp account to WhatsApp business. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.